Company is Luxen. So this is our product video and demo of what our product serves to achieve. So a quick overview. We're an SAMD startup focused on providing hand imaging solutions through the use of AI technology. So what is the point of having hand imaging technology, and what is it used for? Well, we're trying to scan the hands. What we're trying to do by scanning the hands is to diagnose vitamin deficiencies through accurate and non-invasive health treatments. This will help people see how their body is actually functioning and the overall health of their body without going to blood checkups every 6 months or a wellness checkup every 6 months. It gives them a daily option to see how they are doing. So it's more of a telemedicine type healthcare field at which patients will receive a prognosis upon scan of their hand as to the health of their body and what vitamins they're lacking in, what they're good in, etc. So what is the problem? People want to know about their health at all times and know that they're in good condition. Problem 2 is that people get slow treatments because determining a prognosis at a hospital takes more time. Our technology serves to eliminate both problems. For regular individuals, people will have people's insecurity of bad health or something like in wellness, it'll go away because they have this technology to assure them that they actually do have good health with their vitamins. To see if they need supplements or anything like that, they'll know because of the hand treatment solutions we give them. And for problem 2, this could help hospitals, because hospitals, it would take a long time to, first of all, even schedule a treatment. And even after that treatment scheduled, it takes a really, really long time to get even a prognosis, a diagnosis, and then you go to treatment, which may take months on end. And then by then, you might need more supplements, and that might be even worse when you could have just started from the beginning, fixing it from a lifestyle. Lifestyle. So our solutions is to create an app to scan people's hand to help detect these deficiencies. Our solution 2 is to create a website to help people get in with doctors, and this will help with a prolonged deficiency and give them a prognosis. And our long-term solution, after we gain traction with our original model, which is the app that scans people's hands and gives them a prognosis of how their well-being is to create a glove that has blood flow monitoring, fingerprint changes, water, moisture, and etc. And this will all help to detect even more things that people have problems with, more than just deficiencies. Like blood flow could detect abnormalities in the heart and how the cardiovascular system is functioning and pumping blood. See if there's murmurs, all that stuff. Fingerprint changes could tell you anything about dermatology and how the fingers are changing. Maybe they're getting a bit swollen, maybe the ridges are becoming a bit nooked. And then water and moisture, affluency, it'll show you hyperthyroidism, which is a main factor of that, and I'll show you elevated levels of thyroid hormones such as TSH, T4, T3, etc. And it could also, and the possibilities for this are limitless. What is the background for this project? So personalized medicine is a relatively new idea, influenced by the bounds of machine learning brought up by the wake of the early 2020s. So currently in the market, as of June 5th, 2024, up to that market research, there's no products that have an idea like ours, and that actually want to achieve the same thing as ours with this kind of hand imaging technology. This makes us at first unique, but also differentiated within this volatile market of health SAMD startups. And with such a centralized idea, we can help almost every single person in the world that has access to an iOS or Android device. So, what is our target market? Our target market 1 is people who want to have a healthy lifestyle. People on the street wear Apple Watches, Fitbits, Samsung Galaxy watches, things that will help monitor health just through a simple wearable technology. This is sort of the same thing, except instead of wearable technology, it takes out 5 minutes of your time every single day just to scan your hand, and you can tell so much from it about vitamin disorders and deficiencies. And target market 2 is for hospitals who might utilize this technology for telemedicine to help monitor and keep track of patients and their vitamin levels without actually having to schedule regular blood tests to see how these patients are doing. So, what is the size of the SAMD market in general right now? So, it's $8 billion for the total available market, $270 million for the serviceable available market, and $121 million for the serviceable obtainable market. So, this is a pretty huge market, and if we could even get a fraction of our hands on this, it would be incredibly beneficial for us. And with such innovative technology, I definitely believe that we could achieve such a goal. So, what are our competitive advantages in this kind of market? First of all, we have hand imaging analysis. It's AI technology that we procured especially with a database that's non-relational that we created that will help analyze hand images for vitamin deficiencies. We also have personalized reports to receive detailed and personalized health reports based on your hand imaging results. We also have consultation services that are expert consultations to guide you through your health improvement journey, and also a market fit because so first in July of 2024 we need to find staff needed for the startup, and we've achieved this goal already. We have gotten 5 developers so far and 3 board members, with one more waiting on the pending list for interview, and a hopeful investor that's along the way. We also need funding in July of 2024, which we're also hopefully procuring from these things like Techstars, Y Combinator, Startup Hubs, etc. In August of 2024, we wanted to do communication and outreach. So we want to develop our first prototype and beta testing for a successful app/platform, and then hopefully this can gain enough traction that we can find more investors for post-seed funding and partnership with hospitals. After this, we can finally create a more advanced version and release it in September of 2024 towards the general public, in which we finally gain, hopefully, enough customers and people that like our product. And in 2025, we hope to create Luxen 2.0, which is the wearable glove technology, which will cost money, as our original model is not going to cost money in an app store, and it's merely just to gain traction for Luxen 2.0, which is our hand imaging solution with the glove. And if we have enough people that will trust our product, they can definitely buy this. And we're hoping the price, as of now, we're prototyping it, and the price, as we've seen right now, is close to about $70 per person for one glove. And we hope to sell this to big biotech companies for royalties and equities, or major hospital chains that will need it for telemedicine type purposes. So this is our future roadmap. So in Q2 of 2024, we will begin our prototype development, and we are almost 3/4 of the way done with that. In Q3 of 2024, this is where we're trying to find investment for people to actually help us in this journey. In Q4 of 2024, we're going to finally be done with beta testing, and hopefully we'll have enough traction and people that will actually like our product, like the idea, and see the potential it really has. And in Q1 of 2025, after the release of Luxen 2.0, we will finally have enough support, and we will begin to sell both of our original products, both Luxen, the regular Luxen, and Luxen 2.0 to hospitals for telemedicine purposes, or to regular customers at a monthly rate. So this is our team. I am Ganesh Chaudhary. I'm the CEO, CIO, and founder of Luxen. Another person who is a founder of this is Hanush Bondo. He is CEO, CFO, and founder of this program. And Ashwin Rakam, CTO, CMO, and founder. If we procure other board members that we see fit for this operation and that have the qualifications necessary, we may give them some of these roles as a sort of delegation. But as of now, we only have 5 members and 5 more developers. So about 10 people in total working, and then 30 advisors and board of members that help direct us through. Thank you so much.